MP Dr. Bimol on Tuesday moved a notice of adjournment motion in Lok Sabha seeking urgent discussion on prolonged humanitarian crisis in Manipur. The motion was aimed at drawing attention of the House to the continued suffering of more than 60,000 internally displaced persons who remain unable to return to their homes. The MP highlighted that thousands of displaced families are spending their third consecutive winter in relief camps, reflecting persistent failure to restore peace, ensure accountability and facilitate safe and dignified rehabilitation. During the ongoing winter session of the Parliament, MP Bimol has also raised several questions related to the condition and welfare of IDPs in the state. Earlier, while speaking during the discussion on Vande Mataram, the MP had demanded dedicated discussion of at least 3 hours on Manipur's situation. The adjournment motion was moved as a follow-up to that demand with the intention of bringing the issue before the House for urgent consideration. Although the motion was not admitted, MP Bimol reiterated that he would continue to raise Manipur crisis in parliamentary debates and proceedings. He stressed that legislative oversight is crucial not only to address the humanitarian plight of IDPs and restore peace in Manipur, but also to uphold constitutional governance and prevent similar failures in the future.